Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer studies. If you're new or you're just getting started to learn computer, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an email address and what an email is. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to learn and explain what an email is, understand what a Gmail is, how to create a Gmail account that is step by step, and also to be able to log in to your account. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. What is an email? An email is an electronic mail which is used to send and receive messages online. It's needed in jobs, schools, online accounts, and for communication. For an example of for an email format, as you can see here, it starts with the name at the email provider. For example, if it's Gmail or Yahoo, and then .com. What a Gmail is. A Gmail is a free email service from Google that allows users to send, receive, and store emails securely. This is online. A Gmail account is basically free of charge unless you want to subscribe to the advanced features. Materials needed for you to have an email is just a computer or a smartphone, an internet connection because it's done online, a phone number for verification, and a notebook and a pen to write your login credential, or you can maybe save it somewhere else. Teaching demonstration steps. The first step to open a Gmail website, open a web browser. For example, if it's a Chrome, an Edge, or a Firefox, type gmail.com or yahoo.com. Press enter, then click create account. Let me show you that. gmail.com. Once you come here, you can click sign in or you can click create account. For our case, we'll create account then for personal use. You'll need to fill in your first name and your last name. For example, if you want to say Kate Kelly, then click next. You'll need to respond to your month date, 22005, gender, female, male, and so on, then click next. From here, you can see Gmail has selected for us the available emails, or you can choose to create your own Gmail and customize it, then click next. For example, I want to put Kate 123234 at gmail.com. You don't need to put at Gmail because it's already here. The username is taken. We can use Kate Kelly 22 at gmail.com. Still taken. Kelly 22C at gmail.com. Okay, anyway, you can select to use that one, then click next. Once you click next, you just fill in your password and then click next. Once you click next, you receive an email to activate that account. And then now you can log in. And to log in now, you'll come to this section, sign in, and then fill your email. And then once you fill in your email, you click next, then fill your password next, and you'll be able to log in to your account. Higher. Step 2 is to choose your account type. The exact thing that I've shown you. While creating an account, you have to select if it's a personal email, it's a work business, or a child. And these are just safety measures. Uh, for an individual case, you select personal use. Step 3 is to enter your personal details, just the same way I have shown you, where you fill your first name, second name, username, and then you can sign in. If the username is taken, add a number or extra letters, yes, to make it unique. Write the final email addresses down so that you don't forget. Step 4 is to create a strong password. Yes, you need to create a strong password, and not sometimes, all the times, Gmail suggests for you a strong password, which is a mixture of letters, numbers, and so many different characters. And it must have 8 characters. And make sure you use letters plus numbers, and it's mix up lowercase and uppercase. Give an example of a strong password versus a weak password. Never share your password. You should never share your password. The last step is your phone verification, where you receive an SMS with a code, and then you'll need to fill that code to Google so that it can validate that account. And that explains why it is so important in terms of security and in terms of account recovery. You can be able to recover your account if you still have your phone number. And in terms of security, you have to put a very strong password. Step 6 is recovery information. Uh, uh, the recovery information, you'll have to key in an email. In case you forget your password, you can use it to retrieve your account, your birth date, and the gender. These are questions that you'll be asked while you will be, maybe for example, if you've forgotten your your password. Uh, hmm. The seventh step is to accept terms. Before you click sign up, you'll have to accept terms. You can read them, then click I agree, and then you will have opened the account. Practice question. Kindly try to log into your new Gmail account, find your inbox, identify compose button, then try to send test email to yourselves. Common learning challenges. Users already taken, helps modify it. Weak password, guides improvement. Internet, refresh your page. In case you get these challenges, this is what you should do. Now verification code, click resend code. Safety reminders, do not share your password. Kindly note that your password is personal and you should not share. Log out of public computers in case you log in to any public computer. Make sure you log out all the time. Write down your login credentials in a safe space so that you don't get to forget. Avoid using other people's phone numbers, as this might be challenging to recover your account. Maybe you can do a test to check if there's anything that you've been able to understand today. And the first question is, make sure that you respond to this. and then I'll give the answers. What does an email stand for? We said an email is an electronic mail. What is a Gmail used for? Gmail is used to send and receive emails as a form of communication online. Name two rules of a strong password. It must have a mixture of characters, that is small letters, uppercases, maybe even numbers. It must have a minimum of 8 characters. Why is it a phone number added? And this is added for verification purposes. And that brings us to the end of our today's lesson. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how you'll be able to log in to your account with the credentials that you have created, and also how you'll be able to write an email and then send to the respective place. Thank you so much and have a good day.